Hey, Insta creators! Are you ready to dive into the world of Reels and create some amazing content? Today, we're breaking down the steps to make your very own Instagram Reel. Let's roll! Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Tap the icon or swipe right to access the Reels feature. Step 2. At the bottom of the camera screen, you'll see different options. Tap Reel to start crafting your masterpiece. Step 3. Get creative. Choose your audio from the music library, set your clip speed, and pick out some fun effects. Step 4. Ready to record? Press and hold the capture button. You can record in one go or in segments.
Put it in my face, do you mind?
Step
Make you
5.
clap out, don't play, do you mind?
Trigger
Do you
clips.
mind?
Text and decide on your stickers. Make it uniquely yours. Step 6. Choose a cover image, write a catchy caption, and share your reel with the world, or save it as a draft for later. And that's how you make an Instagram reel. Easy, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, and don't forget to follow us for more tips and tricks. Share your reels with us using #AnHome. Catch you on the gram.